Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of June. And as you know, they are all general energies. They are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. And for additional readings, you can follow me on Instagram, the link of which is also given in the description box below. So, Virgos, let's get started. So, let's see what's there for you. Okay. What is happening, Virgos? I'm taking out so many cards, but okay. I've really pulled out so many cards for you. I didn't plan to do so. Let's see. Okay, let me see what are the messages from the other deck for Virgos. Guidance from the angels for Virgos. The readings are getting lengthier this time. Didn't plan to make them so long. I don't know. Why is it happening that I am being sort of forced to take more cards? Let them come out now. If they are coming out, let them come out. Let's see. Ask for help. That was all around you. Okay. Now let it be long. If it wants to be long, let it be long. Oh my god. Anyway, so let's get started. So Virgos, so there is a situation which is in which you are not taking any action as for now, but you are being alone in looking for the answers within, spending that time with that wisdom, with that information, whatever you have, but you are being in touch with your emotions, and things are moving forward. Basically the thing is that as the things are changing, things, you are trusting your own intuition to guide you in the path forward. That's what I can say. Okay, so as the life moves forward, as the life is happening to you, or situation is unfolding, or things are happening in your life, you have left things to your intuition as you are moving ahead in life, as your intuition guides you to. And you are planning to move in a certain situation towards someone or towards some situation, and you are, but the pace is very slow. Actually it's like as if you're not even moving. Okay, so though the things are changing, life is moving ahead, things are moving, but still they are at a very slow pace perhaps. And maybe that is because you feel that that is the right thing to do. It's something like that. Things are, life is changing but very slow, and you are in touch with your intuition. uh, Here either once I think you want to move towards somebody. That's what I feel, because you want to meet with a friend. It is sort of a reconciliation. You have here with the Knight of Pentacles, you're holding here something, and here again you're giving this to somebody. So what I feel is that you are trying to move ahead with your emotions, with your opportunity, with the whatever the situation is, moving ahead to recapitulate or bring back a relationship which was good in the past, because it is something which is either it is a reconciliation with a friend, a reconciliation with a partner, be reconciliation of the loved one, but it is definitely you are trying to, or you are trying to recreate that past. Okay, you have spent that happy past with someone, and or you had a happy life in the past, and that is what you want to bring in the present. Okay, so it can be the happy times you want to bring to the present, or you actually want to reconcile with somebody, whatever it is. But then yes, that is what you are planning to do. And here with the Two of Swords, you are very very guarded also. You are very very guarded, you are blinded, you are not even seeing the facts. You, the thing is, you want to achieve this movement forward, give somebody something, moving in a particular direction, but you are very very guarded, and you are not even seeing the clearer picture of the situation. But with the Magician, you are definitely moving ahead towards some new beginning. You do move towards some new beginning over here. King of Cups and the Five of, you're definitely dealing with somebody who is emotionally mature, or even senior or maturer than you. Somebody who is emotional perhaps, but controlled, something like that. So what is happening is you want to recreate those happy times. Though you are very very guarded, you are able to move ahead. Maybe you yourself are emotionally contained and stable at this time. It can be that also. Okay, you are emotionally stable. That's what I feel, because here we have, because you're over guarded over here, you're guarded, and you are not mixing much with people. So you are replenishing your own energy, and you are able to stabilize yourself emotionally. Okay, but there is something again which is happening, which is not a very good thing. On the see, with the Five of Cups and the Four of Cups, what I feel is that though you are at this point in time feeling very emotionally controlled and mature and very good, though you have as you started a new beginning, and you've taken that time of yours being in a very guarded situation, but still there is something which life is offering you, and you're not seeing it actually. That's what I feel. You are very depressed, more focused on what you have lost You're not ready to take the new opportunities or the new relationships which are coming in. I said you are blindfolded, you are ignoring certain facts, you are ignoring certain things, not able to see them. And maybe because you didn't see them and you moved ahead towards a fresh beginning, again with the Magician, and you ignored something, that is why this thing happened, that you are not able to see what life is offering you. There is something which the universe is giving you. There is some sort of an opportunity or some sort of a relationship, whatever it is, which the universe wants to give you. You have 2 cups over there behind you, but the problem is that you are too focused on what you have lost, and that is how you are blindfolded. You are not seeing what God wants you to do, or God wants you to take that. And maybe that is why, because you ignored it or you didn't see it coming, and you felt that you are emotionally stable but you weren't, and that led to this struggle in some way, shape. You are defending now, you're defending something, your situation now with the 7 of Wands. You're struggling over here or defending something because you couldn't see what actually God gave you, or God was giving you, or the universe was giving you, and that is why you are struggling. With the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, the King of Swords, all so many court cards have come up over here. I have the King of Wands also here. Oh my God. Any other king? Let me see. No, we have the Empress only at the end. So what I am getting here is, you are defending yourself or your position, whatever it is, you are struggling to defend it. And maybe you are able to defend it also with the King and the Queens and the Kings of Swords. See, what I am getting here is that maybe you are dealing with somebody in authority. Or you yourself, though you are materialistically and financially very stable, very guarded, using your intuition, very cold towards someone. I have the King and the Queen of Wands. So what I feel here is, I have the King and the Queen of Wands. So it is definitely talking about a couple also. And here we have 2 kings, though of different decks. Not different decks, sorry, different suits. So what I am feeling here is that you are in touch with your intuition. You feel powerful yourself, or you are dealing with somebody who is powerful. You feel financially stable, very passionate perhaps, and but very cold, very guarded, non-communicative, even manipulative to some extent. Are you struggling to defend this thing of yours? It can be that also. You are struggling to defend because, yeah, it can be this only. Yes. See, now I get it. You're moving with the Magician. You're trying to recapitulate the happy time, being very guarded though, but missing some details, not seeing the things clearly, and without having the clear picture. Okay, without having the full information, you moved ahead because you thought that you can do so. And with the King of Cups, this is your you feel that you are emotionally controlled and everything is good, and you are in a very stable and authoritative. You felt that you have retained your power. Yeah, now I get it. I know what it is all about. But the thing is, it wasn't the same. You have ignored something, and because of what you ignored the signs and the universe, the help the universe was giving you. You ignored that. That is why you are struggling now, and you are defending this energy of yours. Which this is your energy only. You're now you have to defend the fact that you are the Queen of Wands, you are the King of Pentacles, and you are the King of Swords, and you are the King of Wands, because this is what you thought you are. And now you are struggling to defend all these positions of yours, all these designations, all these mindsets or energies of yours. Now this can be actual designation, it can be your mindset, it can be your energies only. This is how you felt here also. And here we have all the kings, I think 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, I have all the 4 kings of all the 4 suits. So definitely the thing here is that, and I have the Queen of Wands. So what I feel is that you felt powerful, you felt that you are in a very accomplished and a dignified position. You felt you have all the resources, you felt that you can do anything, because you felt king like. Okay, a king can do anything, that is what you felt. But it was wrong, you ignored something which now it is leading you to a lot of depression and this struggle, and now you're struggling to defend these titles which you have given yourself, or the feelings which you had within you. Because I'm saying this again and again, because here in between the struggle and these three kings and the queens, we have the Three of Swords. So definitely it is a very, very painful situation. The King of Wands, you are struggling to defend all these titles which you felt you have, and it is falling here with the King of Wands also. So everything, all the kings and the queens, and the energy is this struggle, pain, loss. You didn't see what help was being given to you from the universe. Okay, so this is because of all this, because you did not see what the universe was giving you. And now, since you are in a very painful situation, you are very hurt, very unhappy, you are trying to balance the situation with the Two of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. You are trying to balance the situation, waiting for the right time. You are waiting for the right opportunity as to what should be done, how to move forward. Basically, you are waiting to move forward, but you are not able to do so as for now, and you are just being indecisive, not able to take a decision. You are working very, very hard, and there is a lot of anxiety, lot of tension, lot of overthinking, and lot of anxiety in your mind. You're not able to sleep properly, because the only thing here is because you could not see what the universe was offering you. Okay, what help the universe was giving you, what path universe wanted you to take, you didn't take that. You chose to ignore them, though you knew it, but you didn't want to see them. Okay, it's not that, see, I am saying you didn't want to see them because the hands are not tied. If this person wanted, this person could have opened this blindfold, but this person doesn't want to open that blindfold. That is why I am saying that you chose to ignore it. You knew it, you still didn't see it. Okay, but, and there's a lot of anxiety over here. You are again trying to balance the situation, moderating it, taking that time alone, rejuvenating yourself, giving that time to yourself so that you are able to restore your energies. And here I didn't even see this card was lying there, it came behind it, so I would read it as it has come out. Okay, so you are trying to balance the situation, and before reading this I would like to read this as it has come behind this. So what I would like to say is that you were being sneaky, you have been toying with the emotions of somebody, or carrying the information you had, and you didn't realize that it will harm you yourself. This is a cheat card. Actually, this card is a deceptive card. It talks about cheating, it talks about lies, it talks about deception. So this was the energy behind it. So now this is because of this is what you've done. Now you need the time to rejuvenate yourself and give time to yourself so that you can heal yourself and take that time out for yourself. But yes, because the energy here, the last card which I pulled out is the Empress. So definitely some new beginning will be there at the end, but it will take time. It will take, because it's come out of so many cards, I feel it will take a lot of time, not in these first 10 days, at least not in these first 10 days. But yes, there is some sort of a new beginning for you. But you have it, the problem is that you've been cheating on someone, playing with the emotions of someone, behaving very immature, and you thought that playful, you can play with the feelings of the other person, and you thought it's not a big deal. Now I have not pulled out 4 cards for any sign, but anyway I've done for you. So what I feel is, yeah, this is authority and wisdom, again authority, again one more king. So this is what you think. You have the authority, you can do what you feel like, you have that wisdom, you have that authority, that is what you felt. But I would again correlate it over here, because with all the kings still you are struggling. So what I feel is that you are struggling to defend your title. But again we have a beautiful card over here, which is the Ace of Spades. You have that clarity, some sort of communication, some sort of clarity coming in, and the Death. Something is ending and something is beginning. Yes, some sort of end is definitely there, something is definitely ending, But yeah, some Empress is also there, so something will end and something will begin. Here is the reluctance to move forward because now you're scared that you may commit the same mistake again. So here is the reluctance to move forward or learning from this. You need to learn from the past mistakes. The four of emotion, there are wonderful people who wish to help you. Opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the gifts. What did I say? You aren't noticing or trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. Look around you. Daydreaming or going within is a healthy way to get the clarity, as long as you act upon your dream. So that's what I said. There were many people around you who wanted to help you, who want to help you. Opportunities were being given to you, but the thing is that you are not noticing them, or you are not even trusting them. As to if there is a person or there is an opportunity which is going to help you, you are not trusting the opportunity, you are not taking the opportunity, you are reluctant in taking the opportunity, and that is why you are struggling. Eight of abundance, it is a time of learning and honing your skills. Yeah, you are working hard. You may feel inspired to go back to school. Yeah, see, what did I say? You are trying to reconcile with somebody, or you are trying to have those happy times, or maybe this is it's going back to the past basically. So it is a time of learning and honing your skills. You may feel inspired to go back to school. Take the seminars on topics that fascinate you, or educate yourself on healing arts. It is a good time to change jobs or make a career move. Key to success is in the details. Monitor your projects carefully. So maybe this is the time you need to learn, you need to educate yourself, because you need to learn what you did not learn when it was the right time. So you need to go back to school once again. It is something like that. You need to tune up your skills, you need to learn new things. Okay, and the key to success in the details, and perhaps you ignored those details, and that is why it's the problem now. So you need to be attentive to the details. Okay, so number 19, number 16, and number 14 may be of some significance for you. Ask for help. What do you really need? Be willing to accept the support. You need to take some sort of help from anybody whom you feel you can trust, from somebody who can guide you. You need some sort of guidance, some sort of help. Love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. Simply acknowledge this truth. So you should realize that love is there. You need to trust that in the universe that love is there. People do love. It's not that love is not there. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. So basically what you need to understand is that there is love in the world around you. You need to express it, and express it to yourself, and if needed, ask for guidance, ask for help. Okay, so Virgos, it's been a pretty long reading. Anyway, I just hope it helps, and thank you, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.